Looks so pretty. Want something savory?
This is what heavens looks like, guys.
We are going to Chubla. I can see one.
I think you will be the only poor people here.
Thank you, Maya.
We got a
Looks so pretty.
nice bag.
Looks so pretty. I love it. You didn't take me to filter coffee.
I saw it now, coffee. Let's see if we can do.
So good. Good, I like it.
I always underestimate my height. I will be like, I'm short, I don't get it, and I will get it. Not good rapido vibes from Hyderabad people. Not at all good.
The day doesn't want to be dead.
Yeah, I'm done sleeping.
I'm hungry. I want food.
ఏదో famous ఏదో we don't want to kill anyone, so we should put song and vibe. That's the point, guys.
Want something savory?
Near what?
This one. Thank you.
That it was 270 something, right? Like
I like the bed. I like the bed. I want to make it now. Because it's so good.
it's nice, huh?
Because it's so good. I just go to basket. So nice.
So, enjoy the number. Then we'll book order from there and open, okay? Did you listen to what I said?
I heard you.
I have a cousin sister.
Okay.
You want pachadi?
After Subway, we are here to eat meals.
This is where
Hali.
half people are
Yeah. No matter how much we eat good outside food, at the end we need meals in our life. Meals, rice, chore.
That really is so fun.
Chore. No, no chapati nahi.
Chore is where heart is.
Chore. You chore hai.
Ah, chore. It's casey, ma. Inside this. This is what heavens looks like, guys. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know what the Bollywood think that Tamil Nadu people are. They will just put the Max Genius, Madrasi. The heroine will always have a fucking idiotic sari with no jewelry of South Indian, and she will speak so kevalamana Tamil in the universe. Even if you are showing something stereotypical, at least show the true thing. Then I will accept. Okay, show them like they eat curd rice every day. Okay, at least something I will be like, yeah, accepting.